Hello, innovation ambassadors. As you are all aware, that on 16th of July, our Honorable Shiksha Mantri ji launched this program. And through this program, we are trying to train our teachers in CBSE schools, in Ekalavya schools, on concepts related to innovation. What they should do if they come across the right kind of an idea, how they should promote ideation within our educational institutions, among students, among fellow faculties, amongst colleagues, and how they should take these ideas logically forward. Because, as you all know, we are aiming for $5 trillion economy. And if we have to achieve that goal, then we really need to create large number of startups. We have to be an entrepreneurial society. We have to be a knowledge-based society. And if we have to achieve that, then we need to create large number of startups. There cannot be better institutions than our educational institutions which can come up with great ideas. They may be higher educational institutions, they may be school educational institutions. Because at the end of the day, the out of box thinking, wild ideas will come from youngsters. We can think, we can discuss, but our ability to think out of box at this age may not be great. But you people are young. As teachers also, many of you will be very, very young. And you are dealing with young population. So what we want to do through this Innovation Ambassador program is to push you to think out of box, to push your students with your help to think out of box. Think about the problems around you. Try to identify solutions which can solve those problems and come up with solutions which we can logically take forward. Till date, you might have gone through various other training programs, but those training programs would have been focused or were focused on academics. But for the first time, we are training you on innovation and entrepreneurship. Many of the jargons which are associated with this ecosystem will be new to you. Means, what is a startup? How to register a startup? If you register a startup, then what kind of equity sharing can happen? If that startup starts generating revenue, what kind of revenue sharing can happen? What is an IP, intellectual property? What is the difference between IP, copyright, trademark? When you think you have a new IP, when you can realize that this is an idea which is worth a good IP, and then how to go ahead and register that IP. Register that IP in India, register that IP across outside India. So these kind of multiple modules are there in this training program. Another important module is related to finance. Because if you want to do a startup, you require money, you require financial backing. So what is equity? What is angel investing? What is pre-angel investing? What is venture capitalism? What kind of schemes are there from Government of India to actually promote this investment? What kind of care one should take when you are thinking of doing a startup? So these are multiple things which you have never thought about before. But if you have to be our change agents on ground, if we want you to go ahead and not just teach, but actually work together with students and do startups, create wealth for yourself, for your school, for your country, then you also need to know other factors. We will be also talking heavily about design thinking, about critical thinking, about problem solving, because this will teach you how to do your pedagogy better, how to work with your students so that their ideas don't get killed, their ideas don't get sidelined. And once we have large number of ideas, you will help us. You will help us. Please remember, your role is very, very critical. You will help us in identifying great ideas. And then you and us at MIC, that is MOE's Innovation Cell, will join hands on taking these ideas logically forward. You are our, as I said, on ground change agents. You are our ambassadors in your institution. And that is the reason we are calling this program Innovation Ambassadors. Once you successfully complete this program, you will get a badge, which you can get it printed or you can get it stickered locally. But we will give you an authorization to print that badge and wear that badge on your chest, which is endorsed by Ministry of Education. And we will officially call you Innovation Ambassadors, so that when you are in school with that badge on your chest, students know whom to approach. Students know who is the change agent who has been endorsed by MHRD or MOE, Ministry of Education Innovation Cell, and they will come to you. And I believe that you will help them take their ideas forward. So, with this small address, I hope that all of you will join this program, will complete all the assessment for these modules, will enjoy what we are actually going to share with you, teach you. So as I said earlier, you are change agents for us on ground. And with your support, we will able to nurture ideation, innovation ecosystem within your institution. We want you not to just emerge as great teachers, but we also want you to emerge as great innovators, great mentors who are supporting innovation. So I hope that you will complete this Innovation Ambassador program very successfully, do all the assignments very seriously, attend all the lectures. I have also instructed my team to have some motivational talks by successful people who have gone through this ecosystem, and those announcements also will be made soon. My team has created a Telegram group. I request you to join this Telegram group so you get all the updates. We will also be sharing with you some teaching material. But please remember, a very important thing which we are going to seek your help in. We are going to, once you finish this Innovation Ambassador program, we are going to establish school innovation councils with your support. And you will be part of our system. And we will be monitoring you, we will be supporting you, we will be hand-holding you on monthly basis. So, this Innovation Ambassador program is just not 2 months training, but it's a start of your association with Ministry of Education's Innovation Cell, and together we will work for next 2 to 3 years to ensure that innovation ecosystem not only gets established in your institute, but also gets stabilized in a sustainable fashion in your institute. So I wish you great luck for this Innovation Ambassador training program. And yes, we will be interacting from time to time throughout this program. Wish you great luck. Thank you. Thank you very much.